What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use a Sigma Metalytics Precious Metals Verifier. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so this is how to set up and use your Sigma Metalytics Precious Metals Verifier. So I just got one. Really excited about it. I've been wanting to pick one up for quite a long time now, so I'm happy to be adding one. I think if you're buying lots of gold and silver, you should really consider investing in one of these. Now there's basically two different models. This is sort of the basic model, and then there's a pro model as well. Now this model can do almost everything the pro model can do. However, it's smaller and lighter, so it's portable, which I think is great if you want to take it around with you to a coin show or a coin shop or something like that. So real quick, I'll show you what came with mine. First up, there is a charge cord, which is very nice. It's just sort of like the USB. I'm sure you probably already have a cord like this, but it plugs in right there. So if it ever dies on you, that's how you charge it. Make sure it's fully charged before you take it out and use it. Now, mine also came with a couple different of these little devices here to actually test larger bars and smaller coins and whatnot. So these are pretty cool. What you do is, this is for testing like a 100-ounce bar or something like that. You just simply plug it into the side there, and I'll show you how to use it. But probably rather than using this one, because I don't have a 100-ounce bar here to show you, we'll show you how to use the smaller one. So this is for testing like 1/10 ounce gold coins, stuff like that. Just really small gold or silver items that you can't pick up on the regular surface there. Same thing, all you have to do is plug it into the side there and you're good to go. Now, I have talked to a gentleman at one of my coin shops who has one of these machines, and he said he just leaves this particular one plugged in all the time. He said there's no reason taking it in and out, risk of breaking it or something like that. So if you're going to be doing a lot of small coins, just plug it in, leave it in forever. One more housekeeping thing, if you have any really strong magnets that you use to test your precious metals to see if they're magnetic or not, keep them away from this machine. This uses electromagnetic technology, so your magnets will actually break this machine. So yeah, that just make sure you never bring the magnets close to it. Okay, so let's go into the last thing that came with it. Was a carry case. Really nice case. You can just throw it in there, carry it around with you, and of course there was a user manual in there as well. Okay, but you're not going to need the user manual because I'm going to teach you exactly how to use the machine. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually turn on the machine. So just hit the power button down here, and as long as it's fully charged, it should turn on no problem. Perfect. Okay, so it says remove sample, push run/calibrate to start. So there's no sample on there. Here's the run/calibrate button. So we'll go ahead and push that. And now it says it's ready to go. So we're now ready to test precious metals. It's literally as simple as that. This is like the easiest machine to use in the world, right? So right now it's set for gold pure 3/9 fine. So I actually do have a coin that would be this one right here. This one is a Queen's Beast, 1/4 ounce, and it's actually 4/9 fine, but this is 3/9 plus fine. So literally all you have to do is set it right in the middle, and there you go. You can see it's legit. So there is this sort of wavering a little bit there. Maybe it's because it's a lighter coin. I'm sure if we use the small wand, it should be able to pick it up no problem. But there's these two brackets here, and all you want is this box to be in the middle of those two brackets. If it's way off to the side, then it's not real. So let's go ahead and test something else out, and I'll show you how to switch between the different modes. So let's say you wanted to do silver. There's these buttons here. It says metal select. We got to push down to get to silver. So we'll go down, and here we are, silver, and we're at 4/9 fine. So it won't test it right now because it's not ready. It says push run/calibrate to start, so we'll go ahead and push that, and we can go ahead and test a 4/9 fine silver piece. So we'll put a maple on there, and we can see the maple is also real. So that works no problem. Now let's say you wanted to test different types of silver. So not just obviously 4 nines fine. Let's say you want to do 3 nines fine. There's these buttons here, the right and left. So we'll go ahead and hit right. And now we're at 3 nines fine silver. So we'll go ahead and push run/calibrate. And now it's ready to rock and roll. So I believe this bar is 3 nines fine. Let's see if it's legit. Yep, there it goes. So it can test through the plastic. And another thing it can do is test slabs. So we'll go ahead and try my, this is my enhanced reverse proof American Silver Eagle. It's the most expensive silver coin I own. It's worth like $1,000. So hopefully it's real. Let's test it. Yep, it's real. Okay, perfect. That's legit. Glad that worked out. So yeah, another handy feature with this machine, it will test the slabs. So let's test a fake piece of silver. This is a fake American Silver Eagle. We will put it on and see what happens. All right, you can see there's a little arrow pointing to the side. That means the metal is way off. It's not the right composition. So yeah, that is a fake American Silver Eagle. If we put a gold eagle on there, you can see it'll do the same thing, saying, hey, that's not 3 nines fine silver. So let's go ahead and test the gold eagles because those are very popular. So what we got to do is go back up to gold. And we don't want 3 nines fine. We'll go to the right. Now there is the 22 karat option here, but with these machines, there's actually a specific option for gold eagles. So we'll go use that one because it'll work better. So gold American Eagle, push run calibrate. Now we're ready to go. Let's check my 1 ounce gold eagle. Thank goodness, that's legit. And we can do a proof one as well. Check that. This is a 1/2 ounce. Also legit. Let me show you how to do one more thing before we put the wand on and test some smaller items. So we'll go down past silver. There's other. So we got other platinum. We can test platinum. That would be great. I do have a platinum eagle here. So we'll go ahead and hit run calibrate. And we'll test my 1 ounce platinum eagle. And that's showing it to be a little bit off. So that's interesting. I don't think it's fake. So what I'm going to do is actually we'll put the wand on and we'll test this with the wand. I think that with platinum sometimes, yeah, it kind of went in and out. You know, these machines aren't perfect, but it gives us a good idea. You know, it's not way off to the side, so we know, okay, it's not like super fake. So, but yeah, also there's no specific settings under platinum. It's just platinum in general, right? So we'll test that with the wand and we'll see how that comes out. Hopefully that's legit. Other than platinum, there also is, let's see, palladium, rhodium, and copper. So we can do a copper test. And we will put copper round on there. Copper is legit, so you can see. That's very nice. And then the last thing you can do under this section is calibrator. So the calibrator is something that comes with the machine. It's this little guy here. It'll basically tell you if the calibration is working or not. So we'll go ahead and hit run calibrate, and then we'll put the calibrator in the middle, and that comes within the brackets, so we know it's calibrated. So let's put that wand on because I'm really interested to test my platinum eagle, and we'll test some of the smaller coins as well while we do that. So now that we have the wand attached, we're going to go ahead and hit run calibrate again because it's telling us to do that. Okay, so now it's ready to go. It's still on calibrator, so let's go. Oh, we wanted to go over to platinum. Really interested to know what this says. So let's go ahead and hit run calibrate. You'll notice you got to hit run calibrate a lot. One other thing I want to mention too is that if you put this in the middle, it won't test it at all. You can see the little green button is lit up for wand. And so if you wanted to switch between the two, you hit the select sensor and it can go to the middle one. We can see, whoops, we got to recalibrate it. We can see how you can switch between the two. So that one says it's a little bit off, but let's go ahead and go over to this other sensor here and we'll use this one. Got to calibrate again. All right. And that one says it's legit. Okay, so we have a legitimate platinum eagle. That's good news. So let's test a smaller gold item. I know the 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagles are extremely popular, so we'll go ahead and test one of those. Now, one thing I do want to mention is I had to take it out of the capsule for this test. You got to put it directly against the metal when using these. So let's go ahead and go all the way up to gold. And we will go over to Gold Eagles and hit calibrate. Now we'll go ahead and test this guy here. Oh, there we go. It's within the brackets. So sometimes you got to kind of move it around, but you can see it's real legit. If this was made out of copper or tungsten or something that was not gold, it would have that arrow way off to the side. All right, so that is how to set up and use your Sigma Metalytics Precious Metals Verifier machine. Obviously, they're not 100% accurate, but they give you a really good idea if it's a real piece or if it's totally fake. So that's great. I feel like this is a good purchase definitely for anyone who's wanting to buy lots of gold and silver, especially if you're a dealer or something like that. Because if you could save yourself from buying even just one fake gold coin, obviously this would pay for itself. I think I paid somewhere between $600 and $700 for this. It was on like 2 months back order, so I can't exactly remember, but I'm excited it finally got to me. I'm definitely going to be utilizing it for all of my purchases, and I'll probably show some more things in future videos regarding this machine. If you have any questions about them, feel free to leave a comment down in the comments section. I'll try to get to all of those. So anyway, I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.